Quiet, ayan na. Hello? Hi! Hello, Kwangming. Good evening. Where are you? How are you tonight? How are
How
you?
are you tonight?
How are you? Are you good?
Good job.
Okay, that's great. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, so this is our lesson for tonight. Okay, so we are now on lesson unit 2. Okay, in town. Okay, follow teacher. In town.
In
Okay,
town.
very good. So in this unit, we are going to learn jobs. Okay, lesson 1, jobs. Okay, so now look at the picture, Kwangming, and let's read the words. Okay, number 1. What is number 1? Number 1 is
Number
doctor.
1 is doctor.
Okay,
Number 2
very
is
good.
news channels. Number
Nurse. What
4
is nurse?
student. Number 5 is school.
Okay.
Pilot. Number
Okay.
6 cook.
Okay, so you need to listen to teacher first so that you can read the words correctly. Okay, number 2, nurse. Nurse.
Nurse.
3,
Sonnet beer.
teacher. Teacher.
3 teacher.
4,
Teacher.
student. Student. Okay, stop doing that. 4, student.
Students.
Okay. Number 5, pilot.
Pilot.
Okay. Okay, number 5,
And
pilot.
Jojo satu geometric
Okay,
itates
number
George
6, cook. Cook.
inumak
Cook.
cook
Okay. All right, so now let's have,
usikromegami.
okay, let's have letter B. Okay, listen to teacher, Pukwang. Okay, listen to teacher. Okay, so look at this. Okay,
Your stink.
so where is the pilot? Can you circle the pilot?
There is a pilot.
Yeah, circle the pilot. Okay, wait for a while. I will give you the
Yes.
pen.
Where is the pilot?
Okay, go. Circle the pilot.
Oh, look. Is the pilot is back.
Okay, circle. Circle. Where is the pilot?
Pilot.
Yes, okay, here's the pilot. How
One
about the
first
doctor?
among is
Where is the doctor?
doctor is
Doctor. Circle the doctor.
but the one.
Okay, so where's the doctor, Kung Mi? Okay. Okay, so let's do it like this. Okay, wait for one. Okay, so look at the picture. What is this, Kung Mi? She is a pilot. She is a pilot.
Is a pilot.
Okay, next.
And stop me, Archie. Stop there.
He is a doctor.
He
He is a doctor.
is a doctor.
Okay, this one. What is he? He is
He is a teacher.
very good. This one. What is he? He is
He is a cook.
very good. And this one? She is
He
is
is a news nose
nurse.
knee
Nurse.
new mistress.
Nurse. Okay. She is a nurse. Okay.
He is a nurse.
Okay, this one. He is a student.
He is a student.
She is a student.
This is a bird.
She is a student.
He is a student.
Okay. All right, so let's have this one. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, so let's read the example. Number one. He is a doctor. He is a doctor.
He is a doctor. He is a nurse. He is a student. He is a
She.
hello.
She is. Number four.
He is
Okay, number three. He is a teacher.
he, he is a teacher. She is a student.
She is.
She is a pilot.
Pilot. Okay, number six.
She is a cook.
Very good. She is a cook. Okay, so let's have letter D. Okay, letter D. Is she a doctor? Is she a doctor?
She is a
Yeah. Okay, yes.
doctor.
Okay, so yes, she is.
Yes,
Yes.
he is.
Okay, number two. Is he a doctor? Number two. No, he isn't. Okay, is
No,
he a
he
doctor?
isn't.
He is.
He a nurse.
Very
A
good.
nurse.
Okay, number three. Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher?
Yes, he is. Me ơi.
Okay, very good. Number four. Is she a teacher? Number four. Is she a teacher?
No,
No.
no, she isn't. She a student.
Very good. Number five. Is he a cook? Is he a cook? Oh. Is he a cook? Number 5. Yes.
Yeah, he is.
Very good. Number 6. Is he a cook? Number 6. Is he a cook?
No, no, he isn't. He a nurse.
Oh,
He a
he
pa-
is a
pilot.
pilot. Okay, very good. He is a pilot. Okay, so let's have lesson 2. Okay. Lesson 2, jobs. Okay, so let's have number 1. Okay, listen to teacher first and follow teacher. Police officer.
Police officer.
Okay, one more time.
Girl.
Police
Number 2
officer.
is police
Okay, listen to teacher first.
police of
Officer. Okay, number 2.
officer.
Firefighter. Fire.
Firefighter.
Okay. 3. Bus
Number
driver.
bus driver. Number 4 stroke play.
Soccer player. Soccer player. Okay, so let's read number one more time. Ming. Okay, so I want you to listen to teacher. Okay, let's read it slowly. Okay, number 1. Police officer. Police officer. Hello?
Officer. Police
Firefighter.
bus driver.
Firefighter.
Fly.
Bus driver.
Firefighter.
Soccer
Pro play.
player. Soccer player. Soccer player. Okay, so let's have letter V.
Player.
Okay, so let's have letter V. Okay. Okay, number 1. They are police officer. Number 1. They are police officer.
They are police officer.
Number 2. They are firefighter.
Firefighter.
Okay, number 3. They are
They are bus driver.
very good. Number 4. They are
Soccer player.
okay, very good. And okay, they are soccer players.
Nhưng mà có 2 người có phải à?
Okay, so how about this
Một
one?
người đâu ta?
Are they police officers? Are they police officers? Yes.
Pupils.
Okay, are they police officers? Yes, they
Yes.
are. Okay, one more time, okay? So listen to teacher Kwang Ming, okay? Listen to teacher. Number 1. Are they police officers?
Yes, they are.
Very good. Number 2. Are they police officers?
No, they aren't. They are firefighters.
Okay. Number 3. Are they firefighters?
No, no, they aren't. They are soccer player.
Very good. Are they soccer player?
No, they aren't. They are bus driver.
Okay, very good. They are bus drivers. Okay, so let's have a story. So let's talk about the story. Okay, so let's read first, okay? Look at me.
That oh wow. Oh no.
Okay, next. Excuse me.
Excuse me. My eyebrow you
Borrow.
phone.
May I borrow your
We
phone?
are fighter. Oh Dan. I'm sorry, Mom.
Okay.
Mom,
Okay,
I'm
so now
sorry.
let's talk about the picture, Kwang Ming. Okay,
Your
first picture. So the first picture. So Danny is in a tree. Okay, and the girl is very worried. Okay, so next picture, Danny almost fall down the tree. Okay, next, the girl call for help. Okay, and here's the firefighter. It's Danny's mom. Okay. All right, so now listen and number. What happens first? So put number 1. Where's the first picture? What happens first? Okay, so this is number 1. Okay, so Danny climbed the
this is
tree.
number 1.
Number 2, the girl saw
Please come
Danny.
David.
Okay, now this is number 3 and number 4. Okay. All right. So now, Kwang Ming, let's read this one, the song. Okay, so we don't have audio here. So let's just read it. Okay. Excuse me, may I borrow your phone? Okay, so let's read together. Okay, follow teacher. Excuse me, may I borrow your phone? Sure, here you are. Thanks. You're welcome.
Yes. You are welcome. Please my eyebrow. You
Borrow.
phone. Sure. Bro, your phone. Her, you are.
Okay, so this is borrow. Borrow. Okay.
Bro.
Okay, borrow.
Mẹ ơi, nhớ con cãi cái sinh lực mất.
Okay, so now let's have letter D. Okay, so let's have a role play. Okay, so let's read. Excuse me.
Excuse me, my eyebrow, your phone.
Borrow. This is borrow. Borrow. Borrow.
You are
Okay. Next, number 2. Excuse me.
still me.
May I borrow your pen?
Like
May I borrow your pen? Sure.
I for your pen.
Borrow your
True.
pen. Okay, borrow
Borrow
pen.
your pen.
Sure. Here you are. Okay, number 3.
Or you are.
Excuse me.
I still me. My eyebrow your marker.
Okay.
Marker.
Okay, look at this. Okay, so listen to teacher.
True.
Borrow. Borrow. Borrow.
Borrow.
Okay. May I borrow your marker?
My eyebrow your marker.
Sure. Here you are. Okay, so now let's have lesson 4. Okay, so we are going to talk about places. Okay, places. Okay, so let's read number
Places.
1. Hospital. Hospital. School.
Hospital. School.
School.
Home. School. Home.
Home. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay, one more time. Okay, one more time. Number 1. What is number 1?
Hospital. School.
Okay.
Home. Restaurant.
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay.
Restaurant.
All right. So let's have letter B. Okay. Okay. So look at the picture, Kumi. Where is the doctor? Number 1. Where is the doctor? She is.
She is a doctor.
Where is the doctor? She is at the hospital. Okay, again. Okay, listen to teacher Kwang Ming. Where is the doctor? Where is the doctor? She is
She is
at the
the restaurant.
hospital. Okay, so look at the picture, Kwang Ming. Okay, so look at the picture. Listen to teacher. Okay, so she is at the hospital.
Hospital.
Okay, number 2. Where is the teacher? Where is the
Teacher.
He is at school.
He is a school.
Number 3, where is the student? Where is the student? He is
He is
at home.
he is a school.
He is at home.
Stay at home.
Okay, number 4.
What?
Is where is the cook?
She
Where
she is uh she is the restaurant.
Very good. She is at the restaurant. Okay. So now let's okay. All right. So number 1.
Yours.
Police officer. Where is police officer? Where is the police officer, Kwang Ming? Okay, so what is this? Police.
Yes. Police.
Okay, police officer.
Police.
Okay, this one. Fire. Firefighter. Okay. Follow teacher. Firefighter.
Con sẽ có mấy khung cảnh.
Okay. Firefighter.
Uh, minus firefighter.
Okay. This one. Soccer player.
And river.
Soccer
River.
player. This one. Pilot. Pilot. Okay, follow teacher Kwang Ming. Pilot.
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 Okay.
Police.
Okay, next. Alright, so now let's review. Okay, so let's say the words. Okay, let's say the word. Let's review letter A. What is this? Number 1. What is this?
Yes, it's a sheep. Yes, it's a sheep.
Okay. Okay. That is listening. Okay,
Yes, listening.
number 2. Sick.
Yes, it's a stick.
Okay, number 3.
This is
Fire.
a firefighter.
Okay, number 4.
This is a shot.
Okay, number 5.
This is a nurse.
Nurse. Number 6.
It's a happy.
Happy. Very good. Number 7.
This
Okay. Number 8.
is a breast
Restaurant.
restaurant.
Okay. Number 9. Soccer.
This is a soccer player.
Okay. Number 10. Number 10. Tired.
This is a
Tired.
tire.
11. Touch.
Tire. And toss.
12. Hospital. Hospital.
Hop.
Okay. All right, Sonia, Kwangming, our time is over. So I need to say goodbye for now and see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.